नमस्कार, मैं सलोनी नांदे और आप देख रहे हैं केसरी उजाला न्यूज। राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ ने केरल में आज एक पत्रकार परिषद ली। उन्होंने सबको समन्वय बैठक ली और सारे पत्रकारों को धन्यवाद कहा। उन्होंने कहा कि पिछले शैक्षणिक वर्ष में सारे राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ के विचारों का समर्थन करने वाले संगठनों की मदद से उन्होंने महिला सम्मेलन आयोजित किए थे और ये सब लगभग हर राज्य में हुए थे। उन्होंने और भी क्या कहा, आइए जानते हैं।
I extended my thanks as for your cooperation. So long 3 days we had a baitak, our Akhil Bharatiya Samanvay baitak in Palakkad, Kerala, and so I extend my thanks to all media that you have always, as usual, you have propagated our thoughts, our decisions, and about our RSS and our RSS this Samanvay baitak. Well to the common people of Kerala and to the whole country. So I thanks. Of course, I extend my thanks through this press conference to the local police, local government administration, and the public at large. So we conducted our baitak very well. It went very well. And now today evening, with the address of Param Pujniya Sarasangachalak Dr. Mohanji, baitak will be concluded in the evening by 6 p.m. So, of course, as I told, last year in this academic year, with the initiative of Sangha and with the collaboration of all Sangh RSS inspired organizations, we could conduct the Mahila Sammelan, the women's conferences in almost all states, districts. And so as we got the final number today in this baitak, so number is as 472 conferences were held, where more than, I again repeat, 472 women conferences were held, sometime at some combined 2-3 district or district level or Vibhag level, but total such 472 conferences were 5,75,740. Participation of the women was remarkable. And so they discussed on different women issues, mainly the participation on women in different developmental activity, and of course the local issues with the women and their solutions, how women can participate in such solutions, that those issues were discussed. And of course, one important issue was also discussed, that long years it was Western feminism was very well discussed, but there is a Bharatiya Chintan, the Indian Bharatiya thought process about the woman and the role of woman in Bharatiya Chintan, that was also discussed. That is our perspective. So those were the issues in women conferences, and of course it was very decisive conferences, because out of that, so they concluded, or they came with the programs addressing the local issues, because these conferences were held in tribal areas, rural areas, including the all cross section of the society, working women, young women, all type of women, they participated in the conference.